Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Wells Fargo bank account. Now, it's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to stick till the end. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now, let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC. And there on the URL bar, search for wellsfargo.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be directly taken to its official homepage. Now here you will be able to see all the facilities provided by the Wells Fargo Bank. Now you will be able to see the login box at the left side of your screen. Now there you have to simply type in your username followed by the password. You can tap on this eye icon to reveal and confirm your password before moving on. Now if you want to remember your username by the system, you can tick the save username box so that you don't have to manually type in your username in your next visit. And if in case you are using others or shared device, then make sure to uncheck or leave this box as it is. Now if in case you have either forgotten your username or your password, you can recover them by tapping on forget username or password link. And once you're done with typing in your username and password, you can tap on sign in button to get logged into your Wells Fargo account. And once the credentials that you have typed in are correct, you will be successfully get logged into your Wells Fargo account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your Wells Fargo account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.